Morning from Disturbia. As you can see, there is no rain, so-called, on my window, or on my car, I should say. Every day there's been rain. It may rain later, but I noticed right away when I went out the house that it seemed to be a couple of degrees cooler. You might say, who cares? Well, normally in November, it should be bitter cold here, at least by German standards. And it's not. Not that I love the bitter cold, because I didn't, but it was real. And what we're experiencing now is not real. We're being flushed every day with electromagnetic conducting rain. And fog. The drizzle is what really effectively brings in the fog. And then the temperatures are driven. You can see the sky here is glowing in the back. And I'm hearing a thrumming sound. You can also notice a kind of a washboard, the white, the dark, and then the white. And here it is just really, I can't zoom in, unfortunately. Lots going on now with this war. Not only Russia against Ukraine, but Israel versus Palestine, Gaza. I was just reading in Chronicles the other day, and I noticed that Gaza was an area that had been allotted to the children of Ephraim, the true children of Israel, the firstborn. I think next week it's going to start getting colder just based on the numbers, the dates. Last year it was the same thing, 2 weeks really cold, -10, day and night. Maybe during the day it went up to -5. You see, it used to be when the sun stood so low in the sky that you would just have -15 sometimes in February all day long. The temperature did not go up appreciably during the day just because the sun came out, but we are being conditioned to believe as soon as the sun comes out, you're going to get grilled. And of course, the sun is always covered, so you have to ask yourself, is it really the sun that's grilling me or something else? You can see quite a bit of activity here going on. Anomalous activity. Craft hovering, craft landing. And then, of course, this glowing sky. Very ominous. Indeed.